we're all going to do it together. Ready? Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the best outgoing chef is Chef Fatima Liana. Can we give a very big round of applause, everybody?
So, as a best outgoing student, I would like to know what your experience with Food Consulate has been.
It was great actually. I met a lot of new people and head chef was amazing. And the time I spent there is quite valuable as well. I learned a lot of things. Apart from that, I had great fun.
So, what is your plans ahead out of Food Consulate?
Right now, I'm just going with the flow. I want to work as long as I can to learn the trend and flow of it. But later, I would like to start a small operation on my own. That's the idea for now.
What has been the best moment in Food Consulate for you?
Honestly, everything, but mostly my team, I'd say. The people I've been with and the chefs who taught me, they've been the best at everything. They've been kind, patient, and my friends, especially, they're quite welcoming, and it was great in general. Thank you, all the best.